Today. Thank you for clicking on it. Please like, comment, and subscribe below and become a golden sister. If you're a sister, brother, or whatever. So, today we're going to be doing fluffy slime. 1 gallon of fluffy slime with these 2 pans here. Lexi's going to be probably making blue and green, and I'm going to be making maybe pink, and I think that's all because I don't want to really mix mine too much.
That's actually red.
No, it's pink.
Okay, it's red.
And then we're going to be doing that. So Lexi got her glue and I have mine. So what we're going to do first is we're going to have my auntie come in, our auntie come in and help Lexi mix hers. So she can get all this stuff together so then that way it won't be a fail. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to open this.
And we're going to be having our own game soon.
Oh yes, we're going to be having our own game soon. Okay, also, so what we're going to do, first thing we're going to do is I'm going to help Lexi pour hers. Or my auntie's going to help Lexi pour hers.
Hi.
So after we do that, I'm going to pour mine.
I'm good.
Ooh, this is heavy.
It is. I feel steady spoon. Oh, this is the quietest thing that
Okay. So I think I got enough of mine.
It's like a jug. You know what a jug is?
Yes,
It's the thing on Fortnite. That's what they call them.
Okay, so guys, this is ours. This is mine.
This is
how it looks. See guys? Yes. Perfect. Okay. Oh, it stinks so bad.
I'm not stinking.
Oh, it stinks very bad.
I'm not
very
smelling
bad.
it.
It's so bad, guys. Like, oh my gosh.
It really does.
Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add in shaving
cream.
Okay, I'm gonna make mine look a mountain.
Lexi, I'm gonna let you do this one. I think you got it.
Yes, I did. I have starch strip.
Go ahead.
And we got some more shaving cream for this. We did. Add some on the side.
Yeah, get it all in. Get it all in. I like it like that. Just messy. Looking good.
Oh my god. I'll put some more right here.
Run it out.
I'm not too.
Okay.
Are you guys out?
Okay. Not a lot, but
But add some over here.
over there.
Yeah.
It smells good too, guys. This is aloe vera, I think. Smoothing aloe.
Yeah.
Alright,
Get
yeah.
in here.
Oh, what is this stuff?
It's
It's activator so it won't get on your hand while you're mixing it.
activator.
Activator.
Okay, I think I am out. Okay, I'm gonna put some activator on my hands too.
That's your activator.
And I'm gonna slowly start working my way in.
We don't need a lot. Okay. And I'm gonna do. Can I do mine too? Can I have mine?
Yeah, go ahead.
Ooh, mine is already doing it. It's doing
What
it.
in the world is on my head?
Oh, I like when they get like this.
I already have
Mine look like marshmallows, like a big marshmallow. Marshmallow man.
marshmallow. And like, comment, and
I want some food
subscribe.
right now.
That's
Okay.
I'm just saying that.
Yes, like, comment, and subscribe below.
And like that. Did I already say that?
Yeah.
Oh, this is like a very
Ooh.
mega slime.
Mega slime.
Ah!
You guys, look at mine.
Okay.
Okay, so you ready for the food coloring, guys? Or are you
Yes.
still mixing it in?
Let me mix it in one good time.
Yeah,
I really do like the noise of these kind of slimes.
Comment below whose slime do you think is better,
Oh, pygmy!
or Lexi's.
Pygmy.
Because
No.
Because you don't even have a team.
I know I don't.
slime A, slime B.
Slime A,
Which
slime
one?
B.
Which one you think did a good job? I think my slime is bigger than Lexi's.
Oh.
Your slime might be bigger. This looks like a marshmallow. It's like you want to eat it.
Yeah. No. Splash it.
Okay. I'm gonna add a little more activator so then like I can get
That is a
access.
water bottle. It's not active.
No, we added activator in there, which is the activator we put in here. I think how much is it? Like 1 teaspoon of borax and then
Yeah.
a little bit of water. Well, more borax than more water than borax, right?
Yes.
Okay. So if you guys want to do this at home, make sure you tag us and say the Golden Sisters.
And say, girls only. If you're a girl. No boys comment. Nope.
No, why not?
Because it's only girls allowed.
No, there could be anyone allowed.
Alright. This is big. This thing. This way. This way. Daisy has her own chair.
Oh yeah, she got her own chair. Ooh, mine is almost done. Oh yeah. Jeez, this
That'll work it.
it's like a
And
cake.
we're gonna have our merchandise. We're gonna have slap bracelets
Oh.
and stuff.
Lexi wants us to have merchandise.
Yeah.
So you guys, please support us. Well, can you please subscribe and like so we can know you guys really like our videos and comment what else do you really want to see from us because we can do it all. We
And
can
I'm
do-
gonna have merchandise on on my channel. And I think on David's channel.
Oh yes, our auntie got a channel and she does good things on
my-
that channel. She's awesome. Her channel is so awesome.
She eats mukbang.
Oh yeah, she eats food, different types of food.
Oh yeah.
And she burps.
She just did Burger King last night.
Yeah.
She's exposing Burger King.
She is.
Okay,
Look at mine.
let's do some food coloring. Let's see
Okay,
how
I
it looks.
think we're good now. You can put these to the side.
Let's put the food coloring.
Okay, mine's gonna be. Okay, this
Give
is
me the
yours.
blue one.
You should have put more borax on your fingers.
Who's supposed to put it before? Okay, yes.
Oh, MG. Oh.
Someone got on my finger.
That's okay.
Yeah.
It's on there.
I mean, I got blue on my slime.
With a little bit, gotta put
Like all the way.
Okay.
now put some green on mine. Let's put some green. Yeah. I got this. Go. I got it.
I think that's good. This slime, guys, it feels so
more blue,
good.
more blue.
More blue. They were out.
My fingers are bloody.
Oh my gosh. It's just like Freddy.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Mine is blue-green.
Oh, look at Lexi. I don't know, man. I don't know, man.
I know that is.
I think I like mine though, cause mine is like because.
Oh, and also we're gonna put eyeballs. Eyeballs in our slime.
Oh yes, we're gonna put eyeballs in our slime.
I got red in mine.
You got red in yours?
Can I have some more red? Oh yeah. Okay, I still.
Be careful with that.
And also, we got a great way to get food coloring out your hands. You just wash it with Borax, and it comes right out.
Yeah.
And it's so awesome. So.
My hand is bloody. Oh my!
Ooh, let's see if we can make a slime bubble.
That's what is my Mia's favorite.
Yeah.
That's what I really do like doing. I really do. I really.
But look at mine, guys. It's like a pink and white, like Valentine's Day maybe.
Mine is like a rich color.
A rich color.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Okay, now let's see if we can make a slime bubble.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
I can't really do mine with this up here, so we're gonna take this off, guys.
Yes.
Cause we're done with all that other stuff.
Just wrap it up.
Oh, here goes the eyeballs we're gonna be doing.
Yes. I am frosted.
We're gonna move that out the way, guys. Okay.
Yes.
We'll move that out the way. Now I'm gonna make mine into this way. Let's move it down.
I got
Guys,
a little
look
bit
at
of
how
slime.
my slime looks. Look.
And look at this
Now, let me
baby
show you
slime.
guys. Look at this.
I have some baby slime. I teared it off. Okay. Back on. Yeah.
Oops. Hold on. Let's see if we can do yours. Alright, there we go. Bam. But look, guys, let's see. Okay, guys, comment below which color do you think this is. Is this like a mint green or is it just like, I don't know. It looks like mint green ice cream or something. It looks, hers is very cool. I don't know. I ain't gonna say she won though. You guys decide who won in the comments. You tell me who won.
Yes. I'm gonna make a big giant worm.
Pink slime versus green slime. Like
And blue and red.
oh, and blue and red. Well, pink. This is pink. See how mine came out? And we love you guys. Thank you for watching so much.
And what about the eyeballs?
Oh, forgot. Thank you for reminding me. Which color do you want?
Blue.
Okay. Let's see. Oh, here goes blue for you. I think I'm gonna do mine like orange.
I already have one on mine.
I'm gonna do one orange, purple, and pink, and then
Hey!
no yellow, and yellow.
I already have.
How it looks, kind of.
Could you give me some?
So guys, this is how it looks.
Could you give me some
Look at
eyeballs? I
eyeballs,
just
look.
have one.
They're watching us, Lexi. Eyeballs.
Oh my gosh, this is the weirdest back. Oh!
Slime bubble, guys. Slime bubble.
It's inside of the eyeballs.
Yes. Let's see if I can see inside the eyeballs. They was inside.
They was.
Okay, guys. Thank you for watching the Golden Sisters channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And we love you guys. Mwah.